So CBSE grade 10 students can give their CBSE board exam twice in a year, one in February and one in June. But the students are taking this very lightly because they are thinking that they can anyways reappear in June again. So is this the right attitude of the student?
Absolutely not. Let's give a quick revision to the rules by CBSE. Yes, the students of grade 10 can appear in the board exams twice now, which means they can rework and improve their scores. Also, that could lead to, let's say, lesser stress because now the students know they can reappear, they have a second attempt. Also, there would be greater flexibility. So that means the students suffering personal crisis or illness now have an opportunity to have a better score because the better of the two would be considered. Anyway, we used to have these compartment exams which were only for the students who had failed. They could reappear, but now it is for every student. Whichever exams you score higher, that's the marks that would be showcased on your report cards. But now the challenge is students are kind of neglecting their preparation for the February exams. According to a research in education psychology, students, when they know they have two exams or two attempts, they kind of lose their initial zeal and initial effort because they think they will study better for the second attempt. They reduce their effort. But what students need to know here is that there is something called the peer environment. If you do not do well in your February exam thinking you can reappear in the June, you will not get the same peer environment because your classmates, your friends, your peers would have already reached, let's say, grade 11. They would be ahead of you in grade 11 syllabus. That would give you peer pressure instead. Also, you would not have that environment which is encouraging enough, where everyone is doing the same syllabus, the discussions are in the same spirit, so you are lesser likely to perform. The engagement would be lower, the incentive to do good would be lower. So our message is very clear. Prioritize your February exam. That would not only give you, let's say, better chances of scoring, but also a head start in your grade 11 syllabus because you would start your grade 11 early on. For more education and parenting insights,
Follow us.
all the best.
All the best.